We're in the mobile app and we're taking a look at how you would perform attendance from within your Group Life branded app. This is a great feature if you have small groups and you want your leaders to be able to indicate who's there, record any guests, put those guests into the contact list, and also so that you can run reports later on to see how your the attendance at various things that you're doing is going. And so I've clicked on the attendance menu option from the side menu. And in this particular site, I have a bunch of events that attendance has already been created for. But to do a new attendance, I would just click on this plus button in the corner, start my new attendance record. I'll select the group I want to do attendance for. Let's just go ahead and do, let's do the junior soldiers. How about that? You can only select one of these at a time. So we'll select that. We'll hit X. That puts our junior soldiers into the group that we're doing attendance for. And then I want to select the date for which attendance is being recorded. I'll say it's happening today. And then I'll save it. What saving it at this point will do is it'll go and take a look at all the folks that belong to the junior soldiers group. It'll load them in as contacts that belong to the group and allow you to indicate who's present. And so say, for example, in this case, Elena's present. I would choose her. And then under Jennifer's name, I would choose her as being present. And if I want to add some guests, the way I would add guests or people that aren't necessarily, they may be in the system, but they are not a member of this group, is I would click on guests. I would go to add guests. And what will happen is the system will pull up all the people that are in your contact list. And if a person that has showed up for the group this week is in the contact list, you can add them just like that. They're on the list. They're marked as a guest. They're indicated as being present. And let's say you have someone who's not in your contact list and you want to add them to the system. So to do that, I'll click on that same Add Guest button. Once the People module loads up, I'll click on the plus, type in the person's name. First name, last name are required, and I'll select these things are not required, but it's as much information as you can load in when you submit the request, the better. And so as much as you have, you'll load it up in there. I'll go ahead and put a phone number and hit save. And so now I have this new person added to my contact list. And because I'm in the attendance module, they're going to be added to my record for this particular event that I'm doing attendance for. And so there you go. There's Howard. He's in there for attendance. And I have Alea, who's also in there. And again, notice that they're all present. If I want to indicate that someone is not present, say I want to change this, I just check that box. And now that person is not present. We only have 3 present. Then I'm going to go ahead and save the attendance. Once you save it, you effectively have an attendance record that you can, again, go into the main system off of the app and review. Just another quick note, you can add a note to your attendance by clicking on the note button at the top corner and just adding your note. All right. And there we go. We save that. And we effectively have created attendance, have performed attendance for our junior soldiers on October 13th. Thanks for watching.